Welcome to Graphic Vision. If you have not subscribed to this channel, so quickly click on the subscribe button. Today we will learn to make sailing ship in MagicaVoxel. Now after you open, you can go to the brush tool and select face mode, and remember that you have to select erase too. After that we can erase this cube. Now go to resize option, and set it at 140 and 100 pixels. Now you go to the palette option and take you any color. Go to the orthogonal camera and select it. After this, go to the line mode and make shape. Right-click on mouse to create ship's shape. And drag this line until your ship is shaped. Go to face mode and right-click, extrude it and make correction. Now it is looking good. So after this, go to the palette and select another color and pull. Pull a pole between the ship. On which we will put sail, and take 3 more wood poles. We had taken the first color before we started. Now convert it to a wooden color. Make some adjustments in it so that it looks good. Go to face mode, and extrude the shape of this ship. After that, go to line mode and select erase. In the same way I pull the lines, exactly the same lines you pull. Now go to face mode and erase the space below these lines. Now shape it from above. You can see that half of this ship is completed. I am changing its hull's color slightly. You can create anything random box or anything in it. Now go to World Editor and select the ground in the Move option, so that the model is at ground level. Otherwise, sometimes the model not show. This happens due to this reason, because it is not grounded, or model is down from the ground. Copy this object and create another object and now come back to the World Editor, so we can edit and resize the model. Keep it 70, 30 and 70. Adjust this. Now we will build sail. First, select the color for sail. I'm taking white color. You can choose any color you want. After that we go into voxel mode and we make sail's shape. Extrude all these shapes. And go to mirror. Erase these shapes a little bit from the middle. So that it will come in its entire shape. Now go to World Editor and select the model of the ship. And make a copy of it. Then flip and click the Y position, where Y is rotated, and it will come exactly at its position. You can see that a complete ship has been built. Now put sail on it, and render it to see how it looks. To make it a bit more beautiful, make a little color in it, so that it looks good to see. So, I will use more dark brown color inside it. And in the cloth of sail, I also give a slight pattern. Now make a duplicate copy from this sail model. Create an anchor in a portion of the ship. Select the object we duplicated and bring it to the center. Now go to Model Editor. Go to the palette and select any color like sea blue. I'll put yellow color in area intensity and I will take blue color to sky intensity. Now go to the sample. Activate global illumination. Keep the bounce 4. Go to display and color the ground. Select blue type color and go to matter and do the glass selection. And increase the value of glass in it, rough is equal to 0. Reflection to 1.0 and attenuate make it 14. After that go to show camera settings. And turn on the bloom effect, also make tone value 3. Increase the exposure so that it looks a bit brighter. Our sail ship model is ready. I hope you like this video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.